Where to find the blood oxygen measurement for your OnePlus Watch 2 and how to use it. So let's go ahead and get started. While viewing the clock face like this here, go ahead and press down on this button here. And when you do this, you'll be taken to all the apps on your OnePlus Watch 2. Now you're gonna go look for the one that has the O2 here, and you can take your two fingers and kind of zoom in to make sure you have the right one here, okay? It will also be great if you are connected with the phone and app, but if you see it here, you can do it without the phone and the app here. Make sure it's firmly strapped onto your wrist here, and you wanna keep still. I might not get an accurate reading as I'm moving too much here, but you're gonna have to keep still for 30 seconds long to get a somewhat of an accurate reading. So just keep still. All right, just breathe in and then breathe out slowly. Try to keep still. I'm just holding up my hand based on the angle I am recording right now. Okay, there you go. So it might go a little bit faster than the usual time if you have it set right. Okay, and then once you're done, I'll give you the reading here and you just press the check mark here for you. Okay, and that's basically it for this tutorial here. Like and sub.